I am Tamur and you are watching AI Studio by Shahzeeb. In this lecture, we are going to learn about how we can install Anaconda in our systems to work on the Python based projects. So, to install it in our systems, we have to follow these steps. First of all, go to your browser and search for the Anaconda Individual Edition. We will see that a tab will open showing Anaconda Individual Edition 2021. From here we can click on this link and a new window will open which will show the Anaconda distribution button. And now we can simply click on the download button and its downloading will begin. So once our downloading is completed, we will see that a Anaconda Navigator will prompt up on our screens. From here we can check the home screen, the environments where we will be installing our packages and base libraries, learning tab, and the community for frequently asked questions. So as I discussed earlier, we want to work on the Jupyter Notebook. So we have two methods to install or launch Jupyter Notebook. One is from Anaconda Navigator. You will simply have to click on the Anaconda Navigator tab and you will see this web page, the front page, and you can simply click on the launch button and it will open the Jupyter Notebook. The second method is which I mostly prefer and many other programmers prefer to work on this method is to open Anaconda Prompt. When you will open the Anaconda Prompt, first for the very first time you will need to install the Jupyter Notebook. So I will write pip install Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so when I press the button enter, I can see that it says the requirements already satisfied, which means the Jupyter Notebook is already installed in my system, but in your case it will be different. So now I want to open Jupyter Notebook, so I will do it as I will simply write Jupyter Notebook in my Anaconda prompt and hit the enter button. Once it's completed, you will see your browser will be opened and Jupyter Notebook will be opened. So now from here I can see the basic files in that repository where I opened my Jupyter Notebook. We can also change its address. Okay, so if I want to open a new Jupyter Notebook, I will simply click on this and Python 3. Once I clicked on the Python 3, I can see a new page is opened. Here I can enter new cells, delete older cells, copy existing material, move to the bottom and up. Let's see if I'm working on the first cell and I want to go to the second cell, I can simply click on these icons and run the code. And if I want to insert any heading, we are learning. So this markdown will be different from the code, and if I run it in my Jupyter Notebook, we will be seeing it as here. And if I start coding, so if I assign a value to a variable which is 10 and simply run it, and we can see that its output will be shown. So it was so simple.